Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna be doing another Zippo review today. So, yep, this came in the mail like 2 days ago. I was too lazy to do a review, but whatever. Oh, that's nice. Alright, so this is the Zippo Starburst Blue. I want to try to get the red one, but that's pretty hard to find and it's pretty rare. So yeah, here's the Zippo Starburst, and it has like a texture to it. Like, you hear that? Yeah. So this is a Starburst Zippo. Take it out. Here's the red sticker. There's the price, and when I got it, it was 10% off. I have no clue, but whatever. So let's take this back sticker off. Put that in the box. Kind of residue, whatever. Cool. There it is. This Zippo was made in 2012. So, yeah. January of 2012, I think. Alright, so let's check the date on the insert. Oh, that's pretty strong. And it is B. I don't know if you can see it, but it says, one second, B of 2012, so B of 2012. No, obviously no gas in here. Fluid, I mean. Let's put that back in the case. Alright. That's about it. Put the sticker back on. Because I like to keep everything pretty original. Because, I don't know. I doubt it, but hopefully one day it'll be a lot of money. These Zippos that I collect. And I collect them for fun too, not just for that. I really love collecting Zippos. So alright, that's the new Zippo I got. And have a good day, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Yeah, check out my other videos if you like Zippos. Yeah, alright. Have a good day. Bye.